Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are trying to download an app from the Google Play Store, but keep getting hit with an age verification prompt, you are not alone. Today, I am going to show you the quickest and easiest way to verify your age and get full access to the Play Store. Let's dive right in. First, this issue often stems from an incorrect birthday attached to your Google account. To fix this, open your web browser or the Google app and go to your account settings. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting Manage your Google account. Once you are in your account dashboard, navigate to the Personal Info tab. Scroll down until you see the Basic Info section and tap on your birthday. If the date here is incorrect, simply update it to your real date of birth and hit save. Sometimes this simple update is all you need. However, if your account has been flagged as underage, or if you are trying to access strictly age-restricted apps, Google might require official verification. In this case, you will see a prompt asking you to confirm your age. You have two simple options here. You can either use a valid credit card or upload a clear photo of a government-issued ID. If you choose the credit card option, a small temporary authorization charge might be applied to verify the card, but it will be immediately refunded. If you choose the ID option, simply upload it. Google uses this securely and strictly for age verification and deletes the image shortly after. Once your information is submitted, your Google Play Store will be restored to full access, usually within a few minutes. If this quick guide helped you solve the issue, please drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching ClearTask, and I will see you in the next one.